Hi gafters, this is your farmer Ann. Today I'm gonna show you my 3 easiest steps on how to start a goat farm. First step is to build a goat shelter. Hindi naman kailangan na mamahalin yung gagawin nating goat shelter. We can start from a small goat shelter in a very low budget. Kasi marami pa tayong mga bagay na dapat matutunan as time goes by. Or if you're just looking to buy for at least 2 goats for now, then pwede mo naman silang ilagay sa gilid ng inyong bahay kung may area dyan. Kasi hindi naman kailangang agad-agad kayong magpapagawa ng bahay ng kambing. So as long as may matutulugan sila, or may mastihan sila kung tag-init, tag-ulan, that's the most important thing. Next, look and buy for a good breed of goat. So you need to decide, what do you want? Do you want a native goat or a hybrid goat? Do you want a goat for meat or for milk? After na ma-decide nyo yan, then you can start with these things that I'm going to give you. Kung kayo ay bibili ng inahing kambing, please ask the owner kung ilan ang dati niyang mga baby goats. Kung may 2 baby goats siya, then that's better. Next, you need to find out kung paano siya kumain. You need to ask the owner to give some food or some leaves. Then, observe mo kung maganda ba yung pagkain ng kambing sa ibinigay na pagkain. Check the udder kung malaki or hindi. If it's medium or malaki, then that's good. Pero if it's too small, then I would say no. Kasi you will have a hard time battle feeding the baby goats kung may twins na anak yan kinabukasan. You also need to observe kung paano niya aalagaan yung mga anak niya. Say for example, may mga baby goats pa sa ngayon yung kambing na gusto nyong bibilhin. So, just take time, observe hanggang sa magpapadidi yung inahin. Tsaka observe kung maganda ba siyang magpapadidi doon sa kanyang mga anak. At kung ang gusto nyo ay doeling o kaya ay buckling, itatanong nyo rin sa kanila kung ilang magkapatid sila. Just only choose twins o kaya triplets na bloodline. And then, itanong nyo rin kung mahusay bang kumain ito ng pellet feeds o kaya yung mga leaves or dahon or grass. Itanong nyo rin kung yung doeling, kung nakaranas na ba siya ng paglalandi. And then, itanong nyo rin sa buckling kung may karanasan na ba siya na mag-service doon sa ibang babaeng kambing. I would suggest you to buy 3 to 5 months old doeling or buckling. Kung nasa sa inyo na yung kambing, mamonitor mo at saka makilala mo kung anong klaseng kambing siya. Kung first time niyang mag-heat, mamonitor mo kung talagang mabubuntis ba talaga siya, or kung buckling, mamonitor mo kung makapagbuntis ba talaga siya or hindi. It is very important to ask many questions bago bibili ng kambing. Kasi may mga doeling or mga babaeng kambing na hindi talaga mabubuntis. So, palagi lang silang maglalandi at papakastahan mo rin sila palagi pero hindi talaga mabubuntis. And may mga kambing rin na buckling na hindi makapagbuntis ng babaeng kambing. Kaya it is very important to ask questions bago ka bibili ng kambing para hindi ka mapahamak dun sa kambing na hindi mo naman magagamit for breeding. Next, take good care of your goats. So, you need to feed them, give them water, give them pellet, feed or some vitamins if you can, deworm them, love them like a family to you. Once they are ready para sa breeding season, then time to breed them. Paparamihin mo sila. And then, after that, you can start selling goats and gain profit. Those are my 3 easiest steps on how to start a goat farm. If you find this video helpful, I hope you'll consider subscribing down below for more videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!